turn.
Come on. Come on.
It's okay, Michelle.
This first one got me. I'm sorry, Professor.
She's not even
But
gonna
I couldn't complete the homework.
Because why? Because why?
Oh my god.
Because of balls.
Balls?
Balls. It made me laugh.
Because of balls?
I couldn't
Oh my
complete
God.
my homework
Oh my
because of
God.
balls.
That's it? Because of balls?
Oh my god. You totally have your audience with that. You know what I mean? Max.
You're right about that.
That makes you giggle. Shits and giggles, right?
All right,
let's see
go.
this one.
Was it really dirty? Hey, there was no inappropriate language in that. I'm sorry, Professor.
Great snort. Because I was doing that.
A murder most foul. I don't even know what that is. I'm gonna need Cheryl to tell me what this is.
I'm gonna fart. I really am. Sorry. Michelle. Wait, isn't that how the last person died? Somebody died by that. You better hold that shit in. Somebody share a butt plug or something.
I couldn't complete my homework because I don't know what this is.
Somebody read it for
A
her.
thermonuclear detonation. I don't.
What's the question? What's the question
Okay,
again?
well, that's not as funny.
But balls seems to be
I'm invading Poland.
I'm invading Poland.
Invading Poland. Now that's funny.
Not as funny as balls.
It could have been sweaty balls.
Because I couldn't complete my homework because of Cards Against Humanity.
I got stuck playing the game and I couldn't really
And because of me time. Okay, I'm sorry, but I have to go with
Me time.
balls.
I'm sorry, but balls